Bafethu, nje niyazi ukuthi manje sesisenkingeni ngenxa kaVictor Hlongwane bafethu. Lento ayenzile izolo ukuthi atshele umhlaba wonke ukuthi thina sidlale nga12 players. Lento leyo alamisile bafethu, iFIFA manje siya investigate ukuthi leyo into leyo yenzeke kanjani and kwenzekeni ukuze kutholakala kudlala 12 players. Even if it was for 1 minute or 2 minutes, but bafuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. And lento leyo beyingayaziwa bafethu. It was just a friendly match. Sikhohliwe ngayo thina. Jiki kusoccer zone. Boom. Uhlongwane ukhuluma ngendaba ukuthi bafana idlale nga12 players. No one was aware of that. Uhlongwane nje uhlule ukuphapha nje kuphela. Lento le manje seyisifaka enkingeni South Africa, mara I'm sure ukuthi bangasikhanseli bafethu ku World Cup, but I'm pretty sure ukuthi bazosipunish. I'm pretty sure, but I'm praying ukuthi bangayikhanseli bafana because we can't afford to ukuthi simiste ipenalty World Cup because of amasimba nje.
Yo, bafethu Victor Hlongwane uyasijampisela ngoku, but you can't blame him because he is doing his job. Now the main question is, who is failing to do his job consistently at Bafana, because we've seen these type of mistakes one too many times.
As play pro continues, we're going to see how many players are on the field of play. Here is played. You can see the ball is in play. But how many players for Bafana there? When we count, we see 11 plus the goalkeeper. So that means it is 12. Does the law allow players to play with a team to play with 12 players? No, under law, 3, which is the players. Again, we can count for you. So here, if a goal was scored, that goal was going to be disallowed because you.
Hey, Bafethu, this World Cup needs to start as soon as possible before more things come out. Here's a reminder of how the group sits. There's 12 groups in total, each consisting of 4 teams. 2 teams per group move on to the next round. I'm going to post a video giving my predictions on who is going to move on. Who are the 2 teams that are going to emerge from each group. Stay tuned. Bye.
So turns out Bafana, the South African national soccer team, played with 12 players on the field. They fielded 12. That's but we are going to be fined hefty financial penalties, and we also had an issue not so long ago with visas, bruh. So we are in trouble. Like, what is strategy that we ever do as South Africans? 12 heads, we feel like 12 players. You can bruise them.
Yazi kunezinto ezike zithi mayikhulunywa abantu ku social media uyitshela ukuthi bayayijokhela abantu wema hayi thuka isimanga inkulu inkinga la ku technical team Bafana kwafike kwathi ngesikhathi fana ngabe siqualifyele World Cup le esiyakuyona njengamanje sesiqualifyele saphoca u3 point ngenxa ukuthi kwadlalisa umkwena ekwi suspension yama yellow card kwathiwa someone must account baxolisa abafowethu bathi hayi ama game awemaningi kakhulu in between, so I mistake yangenzeka nganomba sa understand we hayi lokho kule friend game ekade siyidlala kube ne moment ko 60 minutes yazi yaphela igame kudlaliswa abadlali aba extra kubafana abawu 12 egroundini yini leyo bafethu. Okay fine ke i-photo official noma i-photo official ishaye mistake yafaka umdlalo extra groundini ngoba futhi sub ngesikhathi ifaka abadlali abangenile abaphumile babe bancane kunabadlali abangenayo. Abadlali abasayiboni negroundini uthi is extra. Sibani udlala yiphi position wazoyikhuhla la kumina nje yabo. Abayibona abadlali. No guys, ngeke bafethu. Laba bahleze ebenchini abasabona ukuthi ebenchini sekukhona isikhala kufanele ngabe khona umuntu ohleli la uphi lo muntu ohleli ebenchini. We ngeke ngeke bafethu scam ilento yepolitiki ebholeni kugcina sekufakwana ngenxa yepolitiki.
Guys, anisasho ukuthi Bafana played with 12 players against Nicaragua. 11 players plus the goalkeeper. Yazi, I counted with the principal of Victor Hlongwane and he was spot on. There were 12 players after that 67th minute with that double sub that took place. Haibo. So even if we had scored in that friendly, that goal would have been disallowed. But also we failed to score, even with an extra man on the field of play. Wow. Aibo. No, I don't have the English for this. I've got no words. Yes, le video le wow. Sham.
Bafana is cursed straight. We have a Sinyama. We have a body straight. There's a dark cloud hanging above us, which we need to get rid of. Because how can we keep making these silly little errors? First it was Mrembula's yellow card. Then it was the visa situation. Now I'm hearing we played with 12 men on the pitch on Friday evening. I didn't see the game, but I'm seeing clips coming out now that when the subs were being made, an extra player came on. So, fourth official, we're not just letting anybody onto the pitch. Because normally I know fourth official holds the board, player number 7 coming off, number 11 going on. He stops the guy, lets the guy come off, and then lets the one player on. If somebody's going off on the other side of the pitch, he's blocking them. Go off on the other side of the pitch, okay, you can come on. Fourth official just shows the board, turns around, Jenna, job done. And coaches, how did this slide past us? I'm assuming the coaches made a sub and didn't look, and they were obviously concentrating on other things. Goalkeeper, don't you see? Man, there's a lot of defenders. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I thought our system is a 4-5-1 or 4-2-3-1, something like that. You can see, there's too many defenders. We played 3 minutes with 12 players. Joe, this is bad. Sinyama, this is bad luck. There's just nothing else. Somebody's haunting us. Somebody's got Bafana's voodoo doll and is poking it because so many silly errors. Now a fine penalty is coming somewhere along the line. And an international friendly. FIFA involved. FIFA. Bafana, hopefully all the errors and everything, we shake them out. We got rid of them in this Nicaragua game. Sorry. No more errors moving forward. Please, Bafana, no more.
Hayi guys, yazini hayi izinto zimana ukwenzeka shem. Nangu Victor Hlongwane phela ayiveza indaba izolo laphana ku Soccer Zone ukuthi thina sidlale ngama player ayi12 guys. 12 players guys against Nicaragua. At some point in that game we had a numerical advantage, literal. Not even because there's a red card for Nicaragua, no, but just because Tina we had more players than we should. But let's screen list, but just look there. 1, laphe move. 2, 3, 4 players on your screen right now. And then siyaphuma kule force ngena ngapha. 5, 6, 7, 8 players on your screen right now. If you add this other 4, siyaphuma kule siza kulaba abanye. 9, 10, 11. Yayibona? 3 players here. It makes it 11. Plus the goalkeeper. Guys, how did this happen? Literally. 1, 2, 3, 4 players on your screen as we speak. 4. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 9, 10, 11. 11 players, guys. 12 more goalkeeper. Are we in trouble? Yeah. Hey, I hope we're not in trouble. The last thing I want is for drama. We're going to the World Cup. Nini sikhala ngokuthi abanye abanama visa in okay kuyalunga lokho manje sesikhuluma ngendaba yama playing more players than we should. I think also the officials must be held accountable though. I don't think ukuthi this is SAFA is at fault alone. If they are, even the officials, they are responsible to make sure ukuthi if a player must go out, they go out, and then the one that goes in goes in. Angeke phela khona ukuthi kuphume lo or lo angaphumi mara kumele aphume, then explain ama player more. So I don't know who's at fault here, but it happened. 12 players at some point in that game for South Africa.
Zisuka zibekwa sihlala nayo ke enye ke eshuthi engathi thina amakhosi nasithi isibafana sisupport sibaleka ini nayo into esibaleka ke yini sokusupport into yoba yehlazo ngale ku World Cup. Awa le thina ngeke sisupport thina. Ngisatsho ukuthi nanje asiprathizeni i-national anthem eMexico makhosi ngoba la isibhamu siphethe uhlanya madoda. Kuzoqala abadlali abaningangane egroundini apha. Into enje amanyala muslendo le. Manyala enzekala ngoba vele ucoach lo umanyalo coach squad lo bathi uGugu Bruce sis
Ngiyayibona imiphumela yama-defender awu-11 ngiyayibona imiphumela yama-defender awu-11 nayo-ke cha yazi ngempela Bafana ayikho nje into ethatha serious lapha akufunda amapholisi akufunda amalo lapha nje nabadlali baze badidekile ngale ndaba ama-pro 11 abasazi ukuthi badlalaphi manje abasazi nenzani Orlando benenzani Orlando ma-Betway champions benenzani Orlando nize ningene ni-12 egroundini thina silela uKasimuliphi sicelebrate ukuba ama-African champions nina ningena emagroundini bowu-12 babe 12 cha ukuthi Bafana ngempela iyathanda bafuna ukulandela idrama yazi iyathanda uma nje kungasuwo abonkwena kumele ngibadlaliswe ama-suspension abawacounti mangasulogo ama-visa ba-approve badecline mangasulogo Bafana iyalahleka emoyeni endizeni khani kwenzakalani Bafana hayi cha bafethu 12 uphawa egrandini 12 malazi nani zibusengisa nazine ngendlela izinto eyitho singayinaki singamangala nje siyiwina le World Cup basiyomala ukuthi kanjani ngoba si-ignorant yazi
Bafana Bafana was playing for about 3 minutes. The only thing that saved them was 3 substitutions. But you know that national team has a coaching staff like head coach, attack, defense, or goalkeeper coach, medical staff, a fitness coach, analysis, physiotherapist, logistics, operation, admin, media. So then it has players on the pitch and then substitutes on the bench. I get control to face. No one's saying not just banning it. But there's nothing else. Bro, like what is gonna work in our favor as South Africans? Like to have it to know, like we did it this way, it's like our way, cause like it's like South Africa, we just do our own thing. It's like you can do whatever you like. Like just no, we are not doing that. We are doing this. So I said no. Everyone is trying to go that way, go up, because we're trying to improve and increase our expertise and all these things. So I know it's chill out. Man, it's like, man, bro, do you understand what a national team is? Like, there's also association. There's people up there, like Pezu, like in the VIP seats. I get what's better. That's my name, like now. Mom, it's like what is gonna work out for us is it's shows. Okay, bese niyagaraja ba siniyagaba. Nisihlazile mfethu kanti ngamabhizi manje nisakwazi ukubala isquad first. So like there's no guy playing in the midfield passing and say, no, like why am I having so many options now? How is Kev is.